What's up guys, TNT Anglers back with another video. Today we are putting the canoe back in this pond. Ty's actually making a couple casts right now, but this pond right here, it's looking pretty juicy. I got a chatterbait and of course a Cinco already tied on, so we're gonna start with those. Might throw a little bit of top water. It looks pretty good for like a buzzbait or something. And if you can see, there's like green all through there, and might be good for like a frog or something, but we've had pretty good success here in the past, so hopefully we can do good and make a good video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh, there's one. Ooh, a little bit of jump action. 3 jumps. Get in the boat. They want the Cinco this morning. Right in the back of the throat. Alright, so there's my first fish. Not a bad one, probably around a pound. He's a chunky dude. Little football. Let's get him back in the water. Two fish in the boat. Let's catch some more. Ty's flipping a jig, trying to get on a jig bite. And they're just biting the Cincos right now. See? Did you see that? They're not even hitting it. I was reeling it in. Ooh, another jumper. Dang, they fight hard. Right in the roof of the mouth. And the boat. Alright, so there's my second one. Still pretty decent average fish. Just flipping beside them trees with this PB&J Cinco, half purple, half brown, black specks. Seems to be the juice right now. Let's get him back. There's one. Did the same exact thing. Get out of the grass. There we go. Dang, these fish are healthy. Right in the side of the mouth, just how you want it. There we go. Chunky dude. Like, these fish are hitting it so weird. Like, they're not even really like hitting it hard. They're just kind of taking it, and then all of a sudden when you reel in, your line's tight. Or that's my third fish. Another football. can see the type of stuff we're dealing with. Down there is that thick grass, and these bass are just hiding in it. And it comes to like a little point right here, and that's where I just caught that other one, and I got one on right now. As you can see, they are stacked up on that point. There's my fourth one. That's a little better fish right there. Side of the mouth again. And still they're not hitting it hard at all. They're just kind of softly taking it. About another pound fish. But yeah, what I was saying was we're dealing with that type of grass. Thick grass, and they like to sit in that, and it comes to a point where that bend goes around and the grass line kind of stops right there. So, right there, fourth fish. Yep. There's my fifth one. Yeah. A little bit of a more darker fish. He caught me unexpected on that one. Alright, still slaying them. Hooked up.
Dude, get the net. It's a freaking monster.
Is it? Alright, well, biggest fish of the day right there. What is that?
The what? What is this? Hanging out of...
Alright, so Ty reeled in this bass. It's pretty chunky. It looks like he had a good snack because Ty just pulled a bone, another fish's bone, that is right there out of that fish's mouth. So he had him a good snack earlier. But not a bad fish. Is it on there? Is that a fish?
Wait a minute.
Oh. He caught a stick bass and a fish.
Bass.
It's still a quality fish. In the boat.
Sticky action.
Last second bass as we're about to land the canoe. Little lake fork.
Alright guys, so that wraps things up for today. We just took the canoe out. We were here for about 2 hours. Caught about 8 fish, I think. So some decent fish caught out of here. But we've got some good videos coming up, so stay tuned for those. Some challenge videos probably here before we head back to college, and then when we get to college, we might do some move-in videos or something like that. If you guys would like to see stuff like that or anything like that, just let us know. Drop a comment and we'll take that into consideration. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.